We'll guide you through how to create a WhatsApp business auto reply. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in WhatsApp business, and so you want to go and set up an auto reply. What this means is that when somebody goes and sends you a message is automatically sent back to them. So to get started, of course, be using WhatsApp business and go down and press tools at the bottom in the bar. Scroll down and you need to go and find the option for away message and tap there. So you need to go and switch on send away message. It says automatically reply with a message when you're away. You can go and press schedule and you can go and choose when it's sent. We'll do always send. Choose recipients. You could go and do certain people or everyone. Then you can tap on message and you can then go and type in what you wanted to say. I'll just go and double tap to select it all. And I'll put, hey, I'll reply when I can. Then you can press save in the top right and that's it. That'll then go and be sent when somebody goes and sends you a message.